Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a picture round in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. Tuck. Wait for a second. Then, step 1, select ellipse selection. Hold shift. Go to select inverse. Press D on your keyboard. Press Ctrl D. Okay. Go to file. Sorry. And step 2. Step 2. Again, create a new layer. Add shape, rectangle shape and round corner down, right click, create clipping mask and move image, hold shift, resize, click OK. Go to file, export as PNG. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.